Hey guys, this is Shabir Khan, and I have Mr. Jim from United States with me today. And he started into my coaching program, my one-on-one mentorship program. And from the first ever campaign that he created with me together, he was able to start getting sales. And as you can see, he has been getting sales for 3 continued weeks here. I'll just refresh his Clickbank account so that you can see this is for real. And yeah, uh, so what do you have to say about this, Jim? About the mentorship program?
Well, I could tell you that it wouldn't have happened without Shabir's help. For one, he guided me through the original campaign. I watched pretty much everything he did with great detail, and getting sales right out of the gate was pretty unbelievable. I mean, on 3/1, first day or so, I got like 2 sales. Then the following week, I got a couple, and then the following week, I got a couple more. So, I mean, still in profit, even though I haven't had it for a little bit, but things are going very well. And very pleased, very happy, especially on my understanding on the first campaign. Usually it doesn't do so well. And in this case, it did extremely well. So I'm ecstatic to say the least. And I attribute it all to Shabir, but now I have a good understanding of what's going on and how I can do campaigns myself, though. But it was a great learning process.
And let's say if I ask you this, um, did you have any experience earlier on getting sales like this?
No, I did not. This is out of the gate for me. So I was more than pleased, like I said, to have these results on a first campaign. So it was pretty amazing. And I'm looking forward to future campaigns with future success as well.
Thank you for giving that transparent feedback. It definitely helps people to get the right mentor because there's a lot going on in the industry. I appreciate your feedback. So
no problem. It's the truth. And anyone that is contemplating using you as a mentor, as a coach, I would strongly suggest doing it.
Thank you. This is where I would like to stop recording, and I appreciate you giving this testimony.
That's the way I feel. You're welcome.